This is FoYaZ F. Rahman. Welcome back to another uncommon content. Today I'm going to show you how to reset PF KitMP error. Need to enter maintenance mode for Brother HL-L5200 printer to reset PF KitMP error. Follow the steps below. Maintenance mode allows you to perform certain tasks, such as resetting the printer's drum counter or clearing error codes. Procedure to enter maintenance mode on Brother HL-L520 printers. First of all, you need to check the parts remaining life. Here PF KitMP life shows 0. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Turn off the printer. Make sure the printer is powered off. Hold down the OK button, immediately press power button key. The release power button when flashing in a pattern to indicate that the printer is in maintenance mode, still holding down the OK button. Wait for the maintenance 4 appear on the display, release OK button. Now your printer is maintenance mode, flashing maintenance 4 appear on the display. Here you press up down arrow key for maintenance 88, then click OK button. Here you see the 3 options. We need RB option for reset the error unit. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press cancel button for maintenance 4 menu. Now use up arrow key for maintenance 99 to restart the printer. Here there is no error shown, printer is ready to printing. Check the spare parts life remaining. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. PF KitMP life was remaining 0, now it's remaining 100. Check the print settings reports. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Finally, you check the print test report. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.